Did you know that portable washing machines are now powerful enough to rival full-size washers, yet compact enough to fit in almost any space? If you're looking for convenience, efficiency, and smart design in 2025, you're in the right place. Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best portable washing machines of 2025. These models combine modern features, energy savings, and space-friendly designs, perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, or anyone who needs laundry on the go. We'll break down the standout features, compare performance, highlight key benefits, and help you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. And don't worry about keeping track. All product links are listed in the description below. So let's get started. Number 5. Giantex EP2313 Portable Washing Machine. Meet the Giantex EP2313, a smart and compact washer-spinner combo built for small spaces. It handles up to 20 pounds per load, 12 for washing, 8 for spinning, making it great for apartments and RVs where space is tight. The semi-automatic design gives you full control of wash time, modes, and spin settings, so you save water, power, and detergent. The standout feature? A powerful spin dryer that removes up to 97% of water, cutting your drying time dramatically. With a strong yet energy-efficient motor, transparent lid for easy monitoring, and side handles for portability, the Giantex is both practical and powerful. If you want a washer that's compact but still delivers real results, this is a solid pick. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 0.9 cubic foot portable washer. Next up, the trusted name BLACK+DECKER. This 0.9 cubic foot top load washer has a 6.6 pound capacity, perfect for small to medium loads. It comes with 5 wash cycles: heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, plus 3 water levels to save water. Inside, a durable stainless steel tub keeps things rust-free, while smart safety features like auto unbalance detection, auto shutoff, and child lock add peace of mind. When you're done, simply roll it away with built-in wheels and handles. The quick connect sink adapter and drain hose make setup a breeze. Compact, sturdy, and easy to move, this is a reliable washer for US households that want simplicity without losing performance. Number 3. Giantex GX24977-P Mini Washer and Spinner Combo. At number 3, we have the Giantex GX24977 Mini Washer, a true space saver. This lightweight unit weighs just 11 pounds and has a 5.5 pound capacity, making it ideal for daily laundry in apartments, dorms, or RVs. Powered by a 170-watt motor, it delivers strong cleaning with a unique turbine swirl wash that's tough on dirt but gentle on clothes. Operation is simple. Load clothes, add water, set the timer, and you're good to go. The see-through lid, rust-resistant plastic body, and non-slip feet make it practical and user-friendly. Plus, it requires no installation, just plug and play. If you're short on space but still need reliable washing power, this is a perfect choice. Number 2. Comfy 0.9 cubic foot portable washing machine. Coming in at number 2, the Comfy automatic washer is one of the smartest and most efficient portable washers on the US market. It offers 5 wash programs: heavy, soft, normal, rapid, soak, with 3 water levels, and even lets you customize your cycle. Despite its compact size, only 18 inches wide and 31 inches tall, it delivers a powerful wash with speeds up to 840 RPM. The LED display shows your remaining time, while features like auto unbalance detection and a built-in drain pump make operation smooth and safe. Best of all, it's energy efficient, using up to 87% less energy than similar models. Whether you're in a dorm, RV, or small apartment, the Comfy washer brings full-size performance to a compact frame. Number 1. AutoTech 27-pound portable washing machine. Finally, taking the top spot is the AutoTech 27-pound portable washer. This fully automatic machine is built for modern living, with a massive 27-pound capacity and 10 wash cycles, including bulky, quick wash, soak, rinse and spin, tub clean, and even a tub air dryer. Powered by a 400-watt motor with an impressive 1600 RPM spin speed, it delivers deep cleaning while cutting drying time. The 24-hour delay start lets you schedule laundry whenever it's convenient, and the tub self-cleaning function keeps the drum fresh after every cycle. Compact at 23 by 23 by 36 inches, it fits into tight US apartments, and setup is simple with the included facet adapter. Safety features like child lock make it family-friendly too. If you're looking for a portable washer that feels like a full-size machine, powerful, versatile, and efficient, the AutoTech is the best choice of 2025. And there you have it, the top 5 best portable washing machines of 2025. From the space-saving Giantex Mini to the powerful AutoTech, there's a perfect option for every American lifestyle, whether you're in a dorm, apartment, RV, or small home. All product links are in the description below, so you can check current USA deals. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more smart buying guides, and let us know in the comments which washer you'd pick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.